Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and of course some of you might have heard that, and if you have not, well, I'm actually telling you that you can actually try the new Microsoft Edge browser based on Chromium, which is an open source project. Chromium is what is running underneath Google Chrome web browser. So Microsoft Edge, the new version, is in test form. It's available right now, so you can check it out. It is available in two different channels. One is coming eventually. There'll be three channels. So here it goes, where you can check it out. I will post the link to this download page in the description below the video. So you have two choices right now, and they have to be on Windows 10. Eventually, Windows 8, Windows 7 versions will actually show up, but you got to be on Windows 10 for sure. And basically, the Canary channel is what I have here, which is updated daily. And there's the developer channel or the dev channel, which is updated once a week. And eventually, soon to come, the beta channel that is updated every 6 weeks. That one, if you want to take less chances, it's like the slowing of the insider for Microsoft Edge. So you can actually click the download button and install it, and in Windows 10 you'll have the latest version of the Microsoft Edge browser, which is now based on Chromium. Pretty fast, pretty cool. Just to give you guys an idea, I can load it up here. Let's copy this to paste. So here's what the page looks like. The initial page of the browser looks like. This is the Bing page. You can of course customize this. It's still missing a lot of features, so not to worry. There's a lot of things that are not in there yet that will eventually be there. So just click the link in the description below the video if you want to test out the Chromium browser. And don't worry, it doesn't break the other browsers. So if it doesn't work well, you can go back to Microsoft Edge or to Google Chrome or whatever browser you were using. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.